Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the early Black Friday deals going on at Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. All right, let's get us started here. We have this Voyager bag down to $5. Pretty good price there for a bag and a little, put some tools in there. I just bought this automatic fastener kit a couple weeks ago at the parking lot sale. Still haven't used them, but definitely a good idea. Also have some of these magnetic little grabbers. Those things are great when you're just working in your car and other things like that. It's been a lifesaver for me. Good prices here on some gloves. Get some work gloves. Always great to buy batteries when they're on sale. You got $30 here for the Hercules, and then also $50 there for the Bauer. So again, get some good ones. Got the angle grinder here for Bauer. I don't see the price tag right there, but those are on sale. Also have the ammo cans. These are the plastic ones down to $8 right there. Have some of these moving blankets down to $4. Great price right there for that one. Like I've said, over the years I've actually bought one of those for a little bit more than that. Then we have some earmuffs. Save that hearing, whether you're working or shooting guns or whatever it might be. We have some more Quinn tools. We have the extendable ratchet here. $61. Screwdriver set, $22. Again, pretty good deal. Quinn's a great brand. They're definitely going to do a good job for you. Pittsburgh options here, $17 for some ratchets, or some sockets, excuse me. We also have some drill bits here, some hex shanks. $6 for these. For the Warrior brand, and again, that's their lower end brand here. Warrior reciprocating blades. Again, great just to have some of those. And we also have some Doyle pliers here, $15. More Pittsburgh options, some of these little wrenches here. Router bit set, and then also the small level there, $2. Pretty good prices on those. More Icon items. Grab you some of these deals. So we have some step bits here, again for Warrior. So if you need one of those. And then here's the price right there on the angle grinder, $27. Then we also have the belt sander here for $45. And then also the Pittsburgh little DIY home option there. Pretty good price on that one. Socket trays here, whatever color you might need for US General, $18. So again, whichever one you might have, you can check some of those out. Saw some of these gloves just a minute ago. I think these are pretty new. I don't know if I've seen these here, especially on sale before. So I got some gloves right there from Vulcan. A little clamp set, $1 for these. Get multiple different colors as well there. Got the blade, got machete blade here, Gordon. That's a pretty large blade right there. Also have some of these clamps, $5. I bought some of these utility pouches right here last time I was here. Works out pretty well. I like them. $2 there. Also, let me know in the comments if there's anything you purchased recently or anything you plan on purchasing for this Black Friday sale. Let me know that down in the comments below. We have the rotary accessory kit, $15. Kind of like a Dremel tool there. More of those little clamps. And we also have the Voyager bag we saw earlier. Again, a great bag for yourself or maybe even to get someone started. I think my great one for my kids. These clamps are back. I know last time I was here, someone bought all of these clamps when they had it on sale. I'm pretty sure the Black Friday or parking lot sale, most recently they had all these and people bought them all. Got some of the pencils, little carpenter pencils there, drop cloth. And we also have some power cords here, 50 feet, $20. Pretty good price on that. Always need a bunch of drop cords there. $6 here for the tarp. It's the blue tarp. And again, they go by color depending on the strength they are. So if you need that, you can check it out there. Also have the electronic safe here on sale. Then I did want to show you a few of the Inside Track Club deals going on at the same time, just so you guys can see these. And again, if you don't know, you need to become a member in order to get some of these deals, and that's $30 a year. But with that, you get to get in early. You also get to get a lot of these deals just throughout the year. They have more deals for Inside Track Club members as well. So if you're going to be purchasing a lot of things from Harbor Freight, it's a great idea to go ahead and just grab some of these deals as well and just go ahead and log it in. But you can see a bunch of these going on right now. Variable speed bench grinder here with the light, pretty nice with Bauer. I know a lot of people were talking about why there's no new Bauer tools at the SEMA, and they were just talking about that was because they were just using, or it was for actually some like professionals, and that Bauer is a great DIY brand and kind of that kind of stuff. I know a lot of my friends use Bauer and they love it, and they're actually using them almost every day, so they say they last. Another thing, they did have this 10 and under box. I think it's a great little thing for gifts. So you can check out a bunch of these things here. You got some knives here, security bit sets. Again, most of these are 10 and under, so if you needed some of those, again, another great thing to check out. Always great to have a bunch of these bits because you'll use them all the time. Then we have a little fly catcher or fly killer, I guess. Got some microfiber cloths there. Again, great little stocking stuffers here for those. I just want to show you. I think a couple of them might have been over 10 bucks, but I can't remember. Flashlights. My kids love flashlights, so another great gift for kids or for yourself. You can never have too many of those, so always a great thing to check out there. And then another set of those microfiber cleaning cloths. Great thing to pick up. They also have some spray bottles. I probably should have grabbed me one of those. Just broke one at my house, so it's great to have some. You need some gloves, just kind of keeping some gloves around for just always needing that kind of stuff. You got some glasses here, safety glasses. Zip ties. Like I always say, zip ties are great, especially for DIYers. You can never have enough of those. Just zip tied more stuff for our chicken coop recently. Worked really well. Also, more just great little things to have around, whatever you might need here. They did have these mini toolboxes. Now, these were not on sale, but I did want to show you guys those. That was the big rage last year where there's like little mini toolboxes. So I wanted to show you these. They have all different kinds in the US General, all different colors. They're for 15 bucks, so it's not a bad deal. Very comparable with the ones at Lowe's. So again, a good price on that. They did have the Earthquake XT here. So again, another great option with that one. We also have this little universal paint system there. And then Pierce has a couple of different nailers. You got this one right here for 100 bucks. So you can check that one out. Banks also had theirs. Framing nailer 3-in-1 here. Also right at $100. And then Banks had another one here. Finished nailer 16 gauge for 72 bucks. So again, whatever you might be needing, you can check that out. Also had the recovery strap, little toe strap here for 10 bucks. Great thing to have. They had the portable paint and stain sprayer. I don't feel like I've seen this one on sale before. I've seen a bunch of the other Avantis, but this is the first time I've seen this one. They also had the air hose. Metal detector for those guys who want to get out there on the beach and try to find some stuff. Let me know in the comments if you've ever found anything with your metal detector. Also have the spotting scope here with the tripod. 40 bucks on that. Then we have a little Ames instrument. Little thermal camera there. 170. The motorcycle lift here for 200 bucks. Again from Pittsburgh there. Then we also have the power inverters. You see this one right here, the large one for right at 300 bucks. So again, good price for that one there. Also for Pittsburgh here, the floor jack, $229, the 3-ton option right there. Low profile as well. And then Quinn 12-piece wrench set. Again, these are all Inside Track Club members. So you got your early Black Friday deals, and then you also have your ITC member deals going on right now as well. So I just want to show you all of these. The auger and also the pressure washer. Both solid deals right there with the Portland chainsaw, down 10 bucks for that one if you need that to get some of those limbs and stuff off of everything. Chainsaw sharpener here for $25. Also have the Warrior palm sander. I actually have one of these. Works fine. Solid brand there. Solid job. 10 bucks. Nicer option here. The finishing sander. $33 on that one. Bauer has its circular saw on clearance at 45 bucks. So again, great deal for that one. And then also Warrior has its heavy duty hot knife on sale for 25 bucks. But let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. I also have some links for some of these items down below, so if you're interested, you can check them out down below. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another deal video right here, and I will see you in the next one.